you can hear me. If not, it's probably not that important anyway. So go ahead.
Yeah, hopefully you can hear Louise. But yeah, here we are. We are at Cozumel Palace, and it is pretty packed. So we're gonna show you around a little bit of the grounds. We're gonna go to the pool, show you the lobby. It is cloudy, so yeah, we'll do what we can, and just to mainly show you the grounds. So.
And a few changes with the Cozumel terminal, like we should talk about that at some point. So.
We'll talk about the ferry later on this video.
Yeah.
So for now, we're gonna show you Cozumel Palace. Right? See you guys in a bit.
Bye.
Hey guys, so we went snorkeling. It was fun. We saw some fish and a stingray. The water is nice, it's not too cold. Now we're probably going to eat something, we don't know. And then probably get back to Palace. We might show you a little more of Cozumel, maybe the plaza where the ferry is. So yeah, we'll try and show you that.
Maybe we'll go to the frog place.
Senior Frogs back in Playa del Carmen, maybe. But yeah, Cozumel seems pretty dead. There's a lot of closed business.
A lot more dead than Isla Mujeres last month.
Yeah, there's a lot less people here than Isla Mujeres. Though this hotel is full right now. I mean, there's no place to be in the pool right now. So, oh yeah, you can get a kayak. You saw that on the drone footage, probably. I don't know if they have snorkeling gear. We just brought our own and jumped in the water. We didn't use the vest or flippers or anything. So the water is not that bad. The currents are not that strong.
And it's pretty windy
So
today too.
we made it all the way out there and that way. And like I said, we saw a stingray and a barracuda and other shit. I don't even know. I know like a needlefish. I don't know what that is called. But yeah, there's definitely some sea life here. So it is pretty cool that you can just jump in like right outside the hotel. So
And there's showers.
yeah, the showers are back there. The towels are there. There's a bar. There's a grill.
Tacos are delicious.
Yeah, the food here is pretty good too. We definitely like the food here at Cozumel Palace. And it's a pretty small hotel, but it's nice. So yeah, it's comparable to the other palace resorts. So
Definitely.
I guess with that said, we're gonna go.
But they don't have beach. That's about the only.
Yeah, there's not a beach here, like you can see in the footage. So it's like ocean right off the pier, and there's like 3 piers where you can access the water. One is pretty old, all the way to the right when you come out of the lobby. Then the one in the middle is the newest one, and then this one where we're this one is all the way to the left. So yeah, just jump in. The water is fresh. It's nice, refreshing, and yeah, there's a bunch of sea life down there. We're walking back to the ferry. The ferry is right there.
Way over there.
It's like a 15-minute walk. It's not that bad. And we walk on this side of the street and you can see the ocean. It is pretty nice.
Yeah, it's an easy walk.
The weather is nice right now, even though it's been really hot lately. Right now it's like 80s maybe. It got a little cloudy. So yeah, we're just walking to the ferry and we'll see you guys in a little bit.